Electronic drum sets have matured into versatile, space-friendly solutions for practicing, recording, and performing. They offer mesh head realism, extensive sound libraries, USB/MIDI connectivity, and compact form factors that fit apartments, classrooms, and small studios. In this comparison, I tested 5 entry to mid-range to premium kits across the price spectrum from $169.99 to $499.98 to assess realism. Product number 1. Alesis Nitro Max Kit Electric Drum Set with Quiet Mesh Pads. The Nitro Max Kit expands Alesis's mesh-based offering with an 8-piece layout, 10-inch dual-zone mesh snare, Bluetooth-enabled module, and a library of 440-plus sounds. It ships with a foldable 4-post rack and an expansion-friendly USB MIDI path to a PC or Mac for use with BFD and DAWs. The Drumeo 90-bay lesson access is a compelling value add for beginners and progressing players alike, and the kit's overall footprint sits in the higher end of the mid-range price tier at $449. Prospective buyers should note the attractive upgrade path through BFD libraries and the broad kit configuration that accommodates a serious practice routine. Product number 2. AODSK Electric Drum Set for Beginner Kids with 150 sounds. The AODSK UAED 400 targets beginners and younger players with a compact, foldable 39.4-inch by 39.4-inch footprints, 4 6.5-inch pads, and 3 8-inch cymbals, plus a drum module, throne, headphones, and cables for immediate play. At $198.99, it sits squarely in the budget tier. The kit emphasizes portability and a straightforward learning curve, with 150 sounds across 15 kits and 10 demo songs, and USB MIDI output for basic computer integration. Performance-wise, the silicone pad feel at 6.5 inches is accessible for beginners and kids, offering a tolerant rebound that reduces fatigue. The 150 sound set provides enough variety for exploration and style switching, while the built-in metronome and headphone output enables silent practice. Product number 3. MK0 Electric Drum Set with 7-inch quiet mesh drum pads. The MK0 from Handbag is positioned as an ultra-accessible starter kit, featuring 4 7-inch quiet mesh pads and 3 8-inch full rubber cymbals for quiet practice at $169.99. It emphasizes portability and space efficiency, including a power bank compatibility option for on-the-go use, a compact foldable rack, and 12 kits with 68 sounds combined with USB MIDI. This budget kit targets beginners who want a complete setup without a sizable investment. Performance-wise, the 7-inch mesh pads provide a softer, quieter feel than larger mesh kits, which can be advantageous for apartment practice or late-night sessions. The 68 sound library and 12 kits deliver enough tonal variety for learning the basics and trying different genres. Product number 4. Alesis Turbo Mesh Kit Electric Drum Set with 100-plus sounds. The Turbo Mesh Kit represents Alesis's value-packed mesh option, priced at $299. It uses a 7-piece setup with 8-inch mesh pads, 3 10-inch cymbals, and a dedicated hi-hat and kick pedal combo. The Turbo Drum module offers 100-plus sounds, 30 play-along tracks, and 100-plus drum coach features. It also includes melodics lessons for enhanced practice value. This kit blends robust educational features with the mature mesh feel at a mid-range price. Performance-wise, the mesh pads deliver realistic rebound and quiet operation, and the 100-plus sounds plus 30 play-along tracks provide a strong practice framework. The bundled melodics lessons add guided learning, while the integration with USB MIDI allows future expansion into DAW-based workflows. Products number 5. AKLOT Expanded Size Electric Drum Set Independent Double Pedal Bass. AKLOT's premium option in this group is the B-Core 541D, a 9-piece kit with independent double-pedal bass, 2-piece standalone hi-hat, and a 12-inch triple-zone ride. It features 460 sounds, 20 ready-to-play kits, 20 user kits, and deep editing capabilities, plus USB MIDI connectivity, all housed in a robust 55-inch long frame. At $499.98, this is the most capable model in the comparison, aimed at players who want studio-like features in a home environment or a gig-ready setup. Performance-wise, AKLOT emphasizes acoustic-level response through dual-zone sticks on most pads, triple-zone cymbal articulation, and an expressive hi-hat system with a 3-stage triggering setup.